Hello, in today's video we will be covering some basic orbital mechanics such as Kepler's laws of planetary motion and the Oberth Effect. I will be demonstrating an example of each law for a spacecraft in low Earth orbit. Some basic terms you could know are the apogee and the perigee. The apogee is the furthest point in the orbit from Earth, and the perigee is the closest point in the orbit from Earth. So here is our example. And according to Kepler's laws of planetary motion, when an object is in its furthest point in its orbit, it will be traveling the slowest, and when it's in the closest point of its orbit, it will be traveling the fastest. Now, if a spacecraft wants to increase the height of their orbit, they will need to be at the opposite place. So basically, if they want to increase their apogee, they need to be at their perigee and burn prograde in the direction they're moving. When they do this, it's called a burn, when they ignite their engines for a certain amount of time. Unless you've played Kerbal Space Program, then this at the start can be pretty confusing. If the spacecraft wants to circularize their orbit by making the apogee and the perigee the same height, they will need to burn on the apogee in this example, because they already burned at the perigee, and make the heights match. So now the spacecraft is burning at the apogee. And now, as you can see, you just made the spacecraft's orbit circular and not in an egg shape anymore, called an ellipse. And also, I forgot to add that it can be done in the opposite way. So you can burn retrograde, basically the opposite direction, to make the other side of the orbit lower. In the next video, I will be explaining why this actually happens. So thanks for watching, and see you in another video.